Hello, good evening everyone. Good day everyone. My name is Okon Samuel Victor. Welcome to my YouTube channel, Victor the Analyst. So what are we going to be looking at today? Today we want to talk about how you can create actual and target charts. So when you need actual and target charts is when you are trying to do a sales report, or let me say a sales dashboard that has to check if your sales rep are actually meeting up to target or not. So that's what we are trying to do. So before we start today's tutorial, I would encourage us, if you have not subscribed to my YouTube channel, please do so to subscribe, so that if subsequent video comes, you can actually get to watch it. And again, it's going to encourage me to actually do more video like this. And make sure you like this, like the video. And thank you. God bless you. So this is how the actual and target chart look like. So when you see this line, so you can see that David is actually meets up, he sells more than the target. This is the target, and this is the extra sales that he made. So these are the target that was set for him, and this is the amount that was sold. Same with Bob actually sold more than his target, and Ali sold more than his target. So you see Charles, Charlie was not able to sell up to his target. He stopped as a point here, and the target was up here. Same with Emma. So we're going to look at how we can actually create a chart like this. So I will not go in depth into how this all these metrics are being created. I'll just click on it and I'll show us how we can do it. So first of all, what I'm going to do is that I'll click on this chart. Let me click on this chart. So I'll bring that here. So number one, we need true metrics. We need the sales, total sales, and we need the total target. Total sales and total target. Definitely, you need to have your target for each rep. You understand? It's going to be total sales and total target. So I've actually created that here. This is my total sales. Look at the measures that I wrote here, and this is my total target. Now, after getting your total sales and your total targets, you need to have your minimum. I call it the lower bar, which is this point, this place. We call it the lower bar. So for you to get a lower bar, let me just select on it. I'm going to use this function called min. Then it's going to help me to get the minimum value out of total sales or total targets, meaning that if any of them is actually the lower, it's going to bring that out as our lower bar. So this is what you use to get your lower bar. Now the next one, so this our lower bar will be in, okay, the lower bar will be in the column. This is y-axis, so I put that there. Now the next thing I'm going to do, let me bring my sales rep to the x-axis, the sales rep to the x-axis. So we have this now. So now let me now impute the other metrics that we have. Now I have the max bar, and I have the max bar, and I have the max bar. This is the max bar. So let me click on the max bar. This is how I will get my max bar, which is total sales, and I have the total targets. So this is how you get your max bar. Now the next one is we have the met bar. This is my bet. This is the met bar. This is the unmet bar. So this is the met bar. The green one here is the met bar. This one is the met bar, and this other one is the met bar. So let me explain how we got this met bar, how it works. So now this is a variable called targets. It's going to save our metrics, which is the total targets, into this variable called target. And the other one, total sales, is going to save it into this sales variable. Just work in a way whereby you have your empty baskets where you can put something inside. So these are our total targets and sales have this value. So we can now use a return. We're now saying if sales is greater than target, meaning that if your total sales is greater than your targets, then you do max bar minus lower bar. So this met bar is going to work in the case whereby we have our sales greater than our targets. So when is your sales greater than your targets, that is when you actually sell above your target. This is when you have a figure here. You have a figure here. So that's it. So if it's the way around, whereby your target is actually greater than your sales, you're not going to, this function, this expression would not work. So definitely you will not get anything from this our met bar. So let me just come back to this and click here. I will then bring the met bar inside here. Okay, now these are met bar, meaning that this value here, this David, Bob, and Alice actually meets up their targets. Whereas this one, in this case, we don't have anything here because of why? Because let me click on it again. Sorry, let me click on it. So the reason why our Charlie and Emma is not coming up, definitely the sales is lesser than targets. That means their targets are greater than the sales. So they didn't meet up to targets. That's why there is nothing up here. So now let's move on to the next one, which is the unmet bar. So once I select this on the unmet bar, so you can see if sales is lesser than targets, meaning that these are people that they did not meet up to their targets, we're going to have our max bar subtracted from our lower bar. So I'll come here and I'll bring in my unmet bar. Let me just select this. So the unmet bar, I'll bring that under here. So you can see this is my unmet bar. So this Charlie and Emma were not able to meet up with targets. Now the last part is this line that you have here, like a golden line. So I'll go to the targets. I'll come here. The total targets will be in the line. So it's going to be the line. So I'll choose this one. So we have it like this, right? So I'll come here to format this. I'll go to my lines drop down. I'll come down. I'll change the stroke width to 0. So come down. I'll on the marker, click on the drop down, then I'll change my marker to the marker type to this. So I'll increase my pixel to 10. Okay, I'll come up here. I'll change this to this color. So you can have it here. And what will I do again? Close this up. Now let's change this color that we have. We have green and we have red here. So for me to change that color, I'll go to my columns. So now you can see I have series. Then you can come here and change it to, this is the lower bar. I'm not going to change the lower bar. I'm going to change only the met and the unmet. So for the met, okay, the unmet is okay like this. And let me go to the met. So I'm going to change that to green. So I'm going to click on green. So you can change that. So you can change anyone you want to change. Just select this lower bar. If I want to change the lower bar, I can come here and change it to whichever color I want to change it to. So that's it. But we're going to leave it as blue. I'm going to leave it as blue. Alright, so there you go. So you can as well, let me come back here. You can as well change this one to any stuff you want. Right click. If you have what you want to rename it to, just say rename to for this visual. I can say mess bar. I can say more. Let me say more than targets. More than, I'm just using for the example, more than targets. So you can write any of your stuff you want to write there. So more than target. So this is going to change to more than target. You see now. Okay, so I'll come here. I can rename for this visual. I can say less than targets. hit enter. So you can see more than target, less than target. So I can actually change this one too. You can change this one too to what you want to change it to. All right, so I'm going to drop this data inside the video description. So we've come to the end of today tutorial. So if you have not subscribed to my YouTube channel, I'm uploading to you again. Please subscribe to my YouTube channel and make sure you like this video, and I hope you enjoyed it. If you have any project you actually want me to work on, or any question you have, you can drop me on the comment section and I'm going to respond to it. Thank you very much, and thank you for listening up to this point.